Charu is from Maids, and I think Charu, you will just tell a little about yourself, and we'll keep it very short. That what did you do in this paper? ओके, बाकी सब कहानियां तो हम चलती रहती हैं कि हाँ कैसा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा, अच्छा ही लगेगा, रैंक आगे खराब तो लगेगा नहीं किसी को. ओके, we'll keep it very short and sweet. So just introduce yourself, from which college you are, and then the next thing will be how did you go about the paper, because paper is बारी जो था, some people found it really easy, but when I saw it, I knew it is a tricky paper.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. I am Charu. I did my BDS from Maulana Azad Institute of Dental Sciences and completed my internship last year only in November. And I joined the test series of ACE in last year, February or March. So, I did not start my preparation from the start of the internship only. I started after 3-4 months. And then, because I had my notes prepared in third year and final year, I started studying them in internship, and also I started giving the weekly tests which were provided by ACE. They were very useful for me because by the weekly tests I got a proper schedule which I have to follow, and also along with the weekly tests they provided with a roadmap which was very useful because then I had a topic which I had to do daily, and also the previous year question assignments which are uploaded topic wise in every subject. It was also very useful. So when I solved them, the questions which were wrong, I added them in my notes and then I revised them repeatedly. But in internship, since there was a less time, so I was not regularly giving the tests, but I tried my best to, whenever I had the time, I prepared for the tests, and then I also saw the questions which were wrong and analyzed my mistakes. And after internship, I gave my 100%. Then the subjects which I have left in my internship, I did that, and also the subjects which I had completed earlier, I revised them. So my strategy was that in December and January, I did two subjects per week, and also I solved the previous year questions which were on the app and gave the tests. And then since the exam got postponed, so I did another revision in February and March. And also, most important is giving the tests only, like sir said, because when we will make mistakes, then only we can retain these 19 subjects. Otherwise, only reading the theory won't help. So this was my strategy, sir. Back with
Charu,
Yes, sir.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, पेपर में तुम्हें क्या लगा? एंड रिमेम्बर, अभी जो भी चारू ने बोला है ना, मतलब हमने कुछ नहीं कहा चारू को बोलने के लिए. आई यू नॉट इवन टोल्ड हर
Yes,
टू
sir.
प्रेज द एकेडमी. ओके, मैम के साथ कन्वर्सेशन हुई थी. जस्ट फील फ्री टू टेल वट एवर यू फेल्ट. ओके, एंड मेरा तभी पहला क्वेश्चन ये नहीं था कि अबाउट द एकेडमी, मेरा क्वेश्चन था तुम्हें पेपर कैसा लगा. एंड बट बिलीव मी, वट एवर चारू हैज सेड राइट नाउ, ये मतलब बार बार तुम ना रोज देख लेना, बिकॉज एवरी वर्ड दैट शी मेंशन्ड इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है ना?
Yes.
एवरी वर्ड दैट शी मेंशन्ड रिगार्डिंग की क्वेश्चंस थे, उनको रिवाइज किया, जो गलत हुए थे उन्हें चेक किया, उन्हें पूरा किया. ओके, एंड शी followed a road map. She had notes from third year which she had made herself, and maybe then she covered when topped it up with the notes we provided. Obviously that is how you best use it. कि the extra material you always condense into a certain place. If you don't have your own notes, you use our notes. If you have your own, use the one which is better. If yours are better, add our stuff to your stuff. If ours is better, add your stuff to our stuff, but keep it condensed. Okay, you have to follow a strict schedule. ओके, एंड जितना अब इंटर्नशिप में टाइम भी नहीं मिलेगा इतना ज़्यादा, स्पेशली इफ यू आर फ्रॉम लाइक कॉलेजेस लाइक मेड्स, ESIC, जामिया एंड ऑल दोज, वो इंटर्नशिप में टाइम भी कम होता है. सो ऑल इन ऑल, एवरी वर्ड शी इज स्पोकन इज, आई थिंक, टू दी कोर इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर ईच वन ऑफ यू. एंड शी सेड कि वट एवर मिस्टेक्स आई यूज टू डू इन क्वेश्चंस, एंड बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ उसने क्या कही है कि she only did a lot of questions apart from the theory that she had notes on. Questions focus किया. That is what I've been telling you since the morning. Okay, you have access to videos. आपको नई टॉपिक आता, she is from MIDS, उसका background बहुत अच्छी टीचिंग होती है, तो some people, some of you do not come from that background, but very important कि questions पे focus करना. Okay, so Charu, your assessment of the paper, that is a very important thing.
Yes, sir. So the paper was divided into part A and part B. It was time bound this time. So, sir, when I personally thought that part A would be difficult because mostly the medical questions are, we feel that it is out of the syllabus which we studied. And I was confident that I'll be able to do part B. But when I started the paper, I felt that part A was easier because the questions were simple and the options were also not overlapping. Like we can, if we do not know the answer, we can eliminate three options and we can arrive at the answer. So and in part A I was left with 15-20 minutes, so the questions which I have marked for review, I attempted them, and I prepared from home only that I'll leave around 10 questions because it was section wise this time. So I decided that I'll leave 5 questions in part A and 5 questions in part B, because if I leave more questions in part A, so I'll not be able to go back to part A if I want to even attempt more after part B. So I left 5 questions in part A and 5 questions in part B. And part A, I found it to be easier. But in part B was trickier because in some questions it was like that we can eliminate two options, but there was confusion between the other two options. Like if we even think for 15-20 minutes, then also we have to just try our luck and mark one answer. So in part B, it was the options which were confusing. The questions were simple. Like some questions were simple in part B also, but some were trickier. So overall, this was my opinion.
Again, very important stuff. What she has said, यही मेरी assessment थी पेपर की. Lot of questions were coming down to two options.
Hmm.
And वो two options में there is a possibility of getting one right, one wrong, 50% probability. And that decides the whole rank. Top 200, 300 ranks उसमें decide हो जाती हैं. So that is the thing that thankfully Charu was able to negotiate through that, and she got many of them right, possibly. That is how the rank is there. So overall, and another very important thing, as we said to the people who are going to the exam, do not leave more than 10 to 15 questions. 220 is the minimum you attempt. Okay, and जितना ज़्यादा करोगे 230 तक जाओ. 225, 230 should be your target. And that is where Charu is also standing. 5 questions. And again, because you cannot go back to the section, you have to already pre-decide कि कितने छोड़ने हैं एक सेक्शन में. You have already left 15 in first section, and second section में decide होता है कि अरे यार यहाँ तो 15 और नहीं आते थे. You're already out of the race. 30 questions you're not done, you're out of the race. So this is very important in time bound sections. बाकी the whole, I mean, rest, it does not make a difference whether it is time bound or not. This is the only thing which decides. So, okay, Charu, thank you very much. And what is
Thank you,
your
sir.
passing message to these people who are preparing? Some of them are new interns, and some of them obviously have been carrying on from the previous year as well. Most of them are new interns only.
Yes, sir. So I would like to say only this, that stick for theory, stick to only one source and revise that multiple times, because it is impossible to retain 19 subjects if we study from different sources. So I also studied from my notes and then revised them multiple times so that it gives a photogenic memory. In exam, even if we do not remember something, so we can eliminate the other options and then arrive at the answer. And most important is solving the questions and then revising those questions which were wrong. That is the most important, because when we will make mistakes, then only we'll be able to retain. And in the exam also, if we have made mistake previously, then we'll arrive at the answer very quickly. So solving the questions is the most important, and revising multiple times from only one source, so that it helps us for long term retention.
Golden words, I will say. I think this strategy, इससे अच्छी strategy मैंने मतलब काफी time में नहीं सुनी है. Okay, so I will really praise this strategy that yes, this is what you, every word that you said till now, I think you people should listen to it again and again. And believe me, it will really help if you try to implement what she has said. Multiple revisions, okay, doing a lot of questions, revising them, looking back at your mistakes. Okay, this is what improves your exam time performance and your stress handling ability during the exam. So congratulations, Saru. Thank you very much
Thank you, sir.
for coming here and enlightening all these students with your success story.